Ladies and gentlemen, thank you.
Megan, you're always in my way.
Oh my goodness.
Why are you always in my way?
It's just because of my left hand. I should be sitting on that side.
Oh, because you're left-handed and I'm right-handed.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, I wonder, you know how sometimes people ask you to pick a hand?
Yeah.
I wonder if because you're left-handed and I'm right-handed, I would choose a different hand than you. Because my first response might be right hand.
I don't know. Pick a hand. Pick one of her hands.
Pick one of my hands. Can you pick one of my hands?
Pick a hand. Pick a hand.
Left.
Right hand.
Left.
Right?
Your left hand.
What color are your eyes?
Right.
What color are your eyes?
What color are they today?
In order to test our theory that people are more likely to choose their dominant hand when asked to pick a hand, we sampled 80 randomly selected students from random classrooms at Granada High.
Do you have shoes? No. How do you have? Are you left-handed? I'm right-handed. How did you? My mom. No.
Okay. Are you left or right-handed? How'd you get to school today?
Students were asked to respond to a series of questions, many of which were designed to hinder knowledge of the true focus of our study. This eliminated bias that could have been created by students answering questions in a way they believed would help or hurt our data.
Do you know how many teeth you have?
Do you wear glasses?
Do you like this many times?
What color hair do you have? What color shirt are you wearing?
What are you wearing?
What color hair did you have yesterday? And can you wait for it?
Your shoes have shoelaces.
What color eyes do you have?
How tall are you?
How'd you get to school today?
Do you know how many teeth you have? No.
36.
12? That I started with or still have?
No. Like, wait.
1, 2,
7, 8. Like 16. Pick one of her hands.
one of my hands.
Pick a hand.
Pick a hand?
Yeah.
No, like one of my hands behind the back.
Oh, okay. That one. Nope.
Can you pick one of my hands? Left hand?
Right.
Left hand. Can you pick a hand?
Pick a what?
I can on my back.
Oh, left hand.
Her
Left
left
or
or
right?
right? Oh, left. You're not done.
Wait, I'm not done. Wait, I'm not done.
Can you spin around 10 times, run to the end of that hallway, come back and do 5 push-ups?
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they say there.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
It looks like casual.
Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Let's go!
We set out to test a possible relationship between hand dominance and hand choice when asked to pick a hand. To interpret whether or not our data was statistically significant, we decided to run both a chi-squared test of association and a significance test. For our chi-squared test, we started with the null hypothesis that there is no association between hand dominance and hand choice. Our alternative hypothesis was that there is some association between hand dominance and hand choice. Our test resulted in a chi-squared value of 0.46 and a p-value of 0.4975. For our significance test, we started with the null hypothesis that p was equal to 0.5 and the alternative hypothesis that p was greater than 0.5. We started with an alpha level of 5%. We were looking for the true proportion of all people who choose their dominant hand when asked to pick a hand. We ran a 1 proportion z-test and got a p-value of 0.264. In both our chi-squared and significance tests, we do not have significant evidence in favor of alternative hypothesis. We therefore failed to reject our null hypothesis that there is no association between hand dominance and hand choice. There appears to be no relationship between hand dominance and hand choice.
Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all, thank you. That's all. That's all. That's all. Thank you. That's all. Thank you. That's all. Thank you. Thank you. That's all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's all. Thank you.
That was all.
I'm not gonna say this on Facebook.